Hi everybody, good morning. Another day with our life in the Philippines. So today I'm going to do a little different video. We have, as you all know, we've been supporting people with rice and some other things, and today is another day of that. And it's, well, I shouldn't say morning because I stayed up last night. I had some editing to do for a client, and I don't think I went to bed until 3:30 in the morning. But anyway, so I've already sent the crew out to go and get the rice with the wholesaler, and they should be back here in a few minutes and starting the packing up. We divided into 2-kilo bags for now, and then we'll go from there. So excuse me, there is some children living next door, and they're having a little bathtub in there, and they're enjoying themselves. So we have to live with that today. Anyway, so what did you say, honey? You said something like, show it to us. That video is interesting, but that just confirms that the city has started giving the money out. He sit there. Yeah, what is it called?
Amelioration. I don't know.
It's just a contribution, I think, for the people, and I heard it's coming here too. Edwin told me it's coming here too. So I guess they finally got that started and getting out, and that is a good thing, right?
Yeah, first time.
First time. Yeah, we're glad to see that they finally get those things out. So we're just waiting for the crew to come back here, and they're going to start packing this up. So today the video is going to be like you follow the whole entire procedure, where we are actually how we actually do it. We pack it up and get the trikes in here, put the bags on the trikes, and we go to the different areas and execute the distribution. So stay tuned. Coming up next, the second procedure of the day. All right, so here he's coming back. He's been getting the rice. Is it heavy? Heavy? Yeah. It's almost borderline. 150 kilos probably all right. That's 200, right? So it's a little heavy. So we're gonna try to get that in here, and I'm gonna help him here get that done. Right, so I poked a hole in the bag when I pulled it out of the trike. So we're gonna tape it up a little bit. But this is pretty much the procedure. What we do, we get the rice, we take it home, use our carport, repack it. Crew comes in, helps us out. Today it's just me, Edwin, our neighbor, and my wife, and we're gonna get this done here as soon as possible. The receipt? Okay. How much is that? Yeah, the trike guy. Who owns the trike? All right, give him 200 pesos, yeah. So we try to help the people a little bit that provides their equipment so we can get this done. My motorcycle doesn't do it. We got her there. She is named Betsy, and not by me, but by a friend of mine who borrowed it for 4 months in 2018 when I was in the United States. I get back, he had put a Betty Boop key ring on it and called her Betsy, so that's what she was named. Female.
All right, so this is pretty much what we do here. I'll sit around the table, put a rice, that scooper there. We have scientifically figured out it's exactly 1 kilo and we use that, 2 scoops, throw it to the next person who ties the bags, get them in back in the nylon bags or whatever you want to call them, and the crew comes here, picks it up, and they go out and make sure it gets out to the right place. It is a little tricky to know exactly, but we have great help. Former barangay captain of 12 years, and he's been a good help to us.
All right, so today's 200 kilo, 440 pounds of it, 450 pounds of it has now been packed up, and we are waiting for the crew to come here and take this out. So when they get here, we are going to take you with us and go and get that done.
So in this little video today, you get to ride with us again through the barangay, and Mr. Paco, he drives like a race car driver or motorcycle race car driver. We have hard time to follow it. But anyway, we're going back into the back end of the barangay. There is a apartment complex where they haven't seen supply for a long time, so we're gonna try to satisfy that today and make sure they get a little bit of stuff to eat. You know, the need is way more than we can cover, but you know, every little bit of help helps everybody, so we're happy to do it. It's a fun endeavor actually, and we enjoy to do it, both me, my wife, and working with this crew is great.
All right, so today we are going to get some rice out in an apartment complex. Apparently they haven't gotten anything for a long time, so we are giving this out.
And I'm sorry guys for all the dog noise. That's one of the pastimes here with all the wild, I call them wild dogs, because they're running and roaming, barking, and that's one thing I would have liked to see, is a more discipline when it comes to caring for dogs, and things that really matters when it comes to a living situation. Dog barking all night can be a pest, to be honest. All right, so it's a little different group today, and this street has been, it's way back in the area, and it's forgetting a little bit. Sweden. Yeah.
I'm from America.
You from U.S.?
Yep.
I lived in Florida for 30 years, so I feel like.
I'm from Wisconsin.
Yeah, Wisconsin. The cheese place, right?
Yeah, the cheese place.
I love that cheese place. Is that your daughter?
Yeah, my youngest. I got two other ones that are in bed right now.
Oh, okay. That's cool.
Yeah, on YouTube?
Yeah. Here you go. You can follow us here.
Ah, cool. Because I follow Philly in the Philippines.
Philly, yeah. Brian.
Brian.
Brian and I are
I
good.
just seen him at the bank today.
We're good friends. Okay, you're welcome. You're welcome.
You are now on YouTube. Yes, you could be on YouTube.
Yeah. Yeah, you have it here. Our Life in the Philippines.
Our life in the Philippines.
So just give us a subscription as a thank you. As a thank you.
Yep.
Nice meeting you.
Subscribe to the
All right.
YouTube.
And everybody is now told that, yeah, you're welcome. To pick up something, they have to wear the masks. Otherwise, they can't come here. So we're stricting up how we're getting this done. Right?
Is that all the rice?
No, we have 3 more bags at home. Yeah, we need to go and get those. All right. So the question is, if we load it over to my bike, we can probably take most of it.
Okay. Yeah, okay, we're heading to the other street now. Right now, we're giving some rice relief goods. Oh, are they coming here?
Yeah, they just went home to load up some more rice.
Oh,
We got about
that's
half out. So they'll be back here. We're just going 1 block over.
yeah.
And this is another
this
area,
one is-
another apartment complex. And this has also been neglected for quite a bit of time, actually. And we will try to get a little bit in here.
Thank you to Mr. Gil Johnson for giving us 2 kilos of rice here in Tulip Street in San Isidro.
You know, people here, you know, they say thank Mr. Jensen, and I'm not used to it, but people here are so polite, and they are very grateful. And the other thing is, you never see a happy face. They smile, they go through life with hardships and all kinds of things, and you never hear anybody complain at all. And that's amazing to me. All right, so we're getting down to the bottom.
How do you, sir?
All right.
That's all you.
All right.
The other. Oh no. The parent only, the parent. Where's your parent? The parent only.
Yeah, they need to come. They need to come.
You come the parent here.
Parents, go and get your mom or dad. We just want to make sure we don't give 2 or 3 to one family, you know. Yeah, that happens sometimes. They send their child up in the line, and we have put a stop to that. We're not going to let it happen. Anyway, guys, this has been a little bit about the routines that are going on to get some of this stuff out. This is concluding this video, and we thank you for watching. God bless. Make sure to hit that subscribe button and follow our life here in the Philippines. We love it here. We love the people. And everybody stay safe and take care of each other. God bless. Wait, don't click that button unless, of course, you hit the subscribe button. And then you can move on. And while you're down there, hit the notification button as well. And if you leave a like or a comment, we will personally respond to you on all or any request you might have. And thank you for watching, and we'll see you again at the next video.